Shandong Longfa Steel Plate Company Limited is located in the steel manufacturer market, Dianzi Industrial Zone, Boxing County, Shandong Province. The company is a large private enterprise consisting functions of scientific research, factory, and trading, and mainly engaged in wooden color steel, household appliances materials, printing steel, camouflage color steel, PPGI, GI, and steel structure. The company is the major manufacturer in the local market in Shandong Province, China. From the establishment of the company, it has built a thorough international selling network based on its thoughtful after-sales service system, and also exported its products to East Europe and Southern Europe, Africa, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and many other areas and countries. The company owns a powerful professional team of technology and sets up the quality management system and has passed ISO 9001 International Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environment Management System, and OSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certificates. Based on the scientific management, with the concept of the people first and the operation philosophy of strive for survival on the basis of quality, Longfa is plowing through in the fierce competition of market-oriented economy and going to reach a higher level. Longfa welcome all friends from all over the world and will serve you with the best service.
We can provide service and product for you. Welcome to Longfa.